Amazon don't sack 400 workers and replace them with robots. When I will see them, they cry for outside because Amazon don't sack them and replace them with robots. Amazon talk say robot is cheaper for them, and also they don't they pay tax put. And apart from say if they cheaper, they don't they pay tax. They don't they pay a salary again every month. Once you don't buy them with $30,000, you go start up they do the job where you might be. They go still they do. And the worst part of all is say robot they do the jobs faster. The job where you might be go use 8 hours, they do robot go do it for 1 hour. Then of what use? It's a human being now to them. You understand me? So for now, the work they know say the robot will go, they will need them for they buy a lot of robots, drive a lot of workers, and they are really making money from it now. Then now Elon, whether they call them, Will Smith come and come to say this kind of thing is not good. How can robots replace the work of a human being? Very, very soon now, because robots now they work for farm. Robots now, as I tell you, so they work for farm. Robots now, they drive taxi. Robots now, they drive bus. Robots now, they work for office. Then they work for restaurants. Then they work for everywhere now. Do you understand me? So they are taking the job of human being away and replacing them with robots. In many years to come now, taxi drivers, they will lose their job because why? A lot of taxi will be controlled by robots. People when they sell for restaurants, they will lose their job because why? People now they buy robots. May help them do the job. If they cook, robots they cook. So now you go come they carry picking. Elon Musk don't do robots now. We go they help person they carry in baby if you get belly. So now Elon Musk come outside though. You can't say the only thing when they fear, they just be that one. Say a lot of people will lose their job and there will be no more. No, human being now will come get use. You go there useless. You understand me? Because you will come go school, go learn engineer. You will go school, go learn, you know, whatever you go learn. Then you will come back. What you say you want to come use your this thing to your education to do. Robot is doing it better. You understand? Of what use are you going to be? Now, let's not say now don't let the pay pass for inside up because it's not a thing that he wish. They listen, no, not be waiting he wish for the people, but now waiting he go up happen. Now let's listen to him.
Fewer and fewer jobs that a robot cannot do.
There will be fewer jobs that robots cannot do better.
I don't want to be clear that these are not things that I think that I wish would happen. These are simply things that I think probably will happen. And since if my assessment is correct and they probably will happen, then we need to say what are we going to do about it. And I think some kind of a universal basic income is going to be necessary. Now, the output of goods and services will be extremely high. So with automation, there will come abundance. There will be almost everything will get very cheap.
Everything will become very cheap.
I think I think we'll just end up doing a universal basic income. It's going to be necessary. The harder challenge.
The harder challenge
is how do people then have meaning?
People will not have meaning.
They derive their meaning from their employment. So if you don't have, if you're not needed, if there's not a need for your labor, how do you? What's the meaning? Do you have meaning? Do you feel useless? That's a much harder problem to deal with. And then how do we ensure that the future is going to be the future that we want, that we so like? No, I mean, I do think that there's a potential path here, which is...
See, man, Elon Musk don't come change this life. He don't come turn it upside down. Okay, how can a robot carry baby? He will carry the pikin 9 months. He will delete. I want to deliver. Okay, they'll call remove him later. I don't know how Elon Musk want to do that one. Okay, Elon Musk now go say taxi. Oh, if you can say taxi, they say for China now, a lot of taxi now are robots. They don't buy them from Elon Musk where and they are using it to do their own taxi now for working place now, even for farm. Now we'll see this one. Okay, maybe they wash. Maybe wash some of maybe we watch like this one now. Maybe you see, this one they give Okay, take her. Now, this one a human being work, oh. Human being work. Now robots they do so. Human being work. You see, they look at human being work. Now robot they do so. Okay, then we look the other one where they cook, where scatter everywhere. See this one. This one I get with the problem. See robot now. See Anna, they scatter everywhere. They scatter everywhere. You see robot they scatter everywhere. Before that one run, robot never scatter everywhere finish. Okay, see this one now. See this one. Everything one I see for years so. Both the one way wear cloth, both the one way not wear cloth, all na robots. Even that one way wear suits. This one's way wear suits. All of them are robots. They will wear a cloth. You will follow you, they will come for streets because they will just do that, but later they'll come wear the cloth. See Anna? All of them are robots. Do you see that? Yeah, I don't feel laughful.